In this video, we see how to use Bard Vision so that we can upload an image which has handwritten characters. Let's extract the text and ask questions on it. Extract text from the given image. Bard has a tendency to add a lot of additional information. Do not add any additional information. And then let me give the image. Additionally, I wanted to create an MCQ from this information. So I say create an MCQ with the content. This gives me the following output: text extracted from the image, which is closed form. And it also creates an MCQ from it, but it is based on the topic that the extracted text is based on. But if I want it from the text only, I rephrase my prompt as extract text from the given image. Do not add any additional information. Create an MCQ with the extracted text. This gives the following output. It extracts the text from the image, and with only the extracted text, it says which of the following is not a type of closed form solution, and it gives the answer. Thank you.